This video walks you through how to export a Gusto report as CSV. If you are already signed in to Gusto, start from the main dashboard and look to the left-hand menu. Click Reports to open the area where Gusto stores the available report options. This takes you to the Reports page where you can choose an existing report or begin building a custom one, depending on what you need to export. On the Reports page, find a report you want to download. If the report is already listed and it is the one you need, open it from there. If you are working with a custom report, click View Report under Custom Report to open an existing version. If you need to create a new one instead, click New Custom Report in the upper right corner. The path you choose here depends on whether you are adjusting a report that already exists or setting up a new report before exporting it. If you selected New Custom Report, you will arrive on the Report Setup page. Here, use the available controls to shape the report content before downloading it. Filter lets you narrow the data that appears. Columns lets you choose which fields are included in the final file. Time period lets you decide which date range the report should cover. Group by changes how the information is organized in the output. Go through each of these areas and set them according to the information you want to include. Make sure the report view matches what you expect before moving to the download step. Once the report is configured, move to the upper right corner of the page and click Download. This opens the download menu with the file format options for the report you are viewing. From that menu, select CSV. Choosing CSV tells Gusto to prepare the report as a comma-separated values file, which is useful if you want to open the data in a spreadsheet program or move it into another system. After you select CSV, Gusto will begin generating the file. Depending on the size of the report and the amount of data included, this may take a brief moment. Wait for the process to finish, and your browser will download the file automatically. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose the location you want and confirm the download. At that point, you can open the downloaded CSV file from your computer and review the report outside of Gusto. Thanks for watching. Your Gusto report is now exported and downloaded as a CSV file